Hey guys, and welcome to your video lesson. Today we're going to be looking at vocabulary for Unit 4, Week 4. Our first word today is astronomer. An astronomer studies the stars and planets. So an astronomer is the person who studies the stars and planets. Like our example is the astronomer pointed out the crater on the planet. The astronomer pointed out the crater on the planet. Our next word is crescent. And a crescent is a curve that is wider in the middle and tapered at the end. So the partial eclipse looks like a crescent and is shaped like a C. So basically, a crescent is shaped like a C. Phases. The different stages of the moon are called phases. So every month we see the moon in different phases, in different shapes. During one of the moon's phases, the moon appears to be perfectly round. Like the full moon, it appears to be perfectly round. Our next word is rotates. Rotates means to turn around on an axis. Like the earth rotates around itself every day. That's how we get day and night, like you guys are learning in science. So in our example, the hamster turns and rotates his exercise wheel. So when he runs on the wheel, it rotates or it turns around on the axis. Our next word is series. A series is a number of similar things coming one after another. This series of photographs shows what happened after I watered the flower. So if you see the picture, in the first picture, it's um, droopy and then it gets water and it comes back to life. The next word is specific. Something specific is exact or particular. In our example that we have, the boy is holding up the specific orange juice for making orange juice. Our next word is sliver. A sliver is a thin, often pointed piece that has broken, cut off, or torn off. A thin sliver of light showed beneath the curtains in our example. So you can see this tiny strip of light. That's called a sliver of light. Our next word is telescope. A telescope makes distant objects seem larger and nearer. The boy looked through the telescope at the boats in the harbor. So he's using his telescope to see the boats that are far away in the harbor. I hope this video helped you guys with the meanings of the vocabulary words. See you next time.